Most beginners think learning tarot means memorizing card meanings from a guidebook. It doesn't. Tarot is a visual language, and if you can read an image, you can read tarot. What usually blocks beginners isn't intuition, it's uncertainty. You pull a card, doubt yourself, and immediately look for the correct meaning. That breaks the flow of the reading. A much easier way to learn is to work with a deck that's designed to teach you while you read. For example, this Witchy Cauldron Tarot Learning Deck. Here's where the advantage really matters. Each card already includes clear keywords and short affirmations. So instead of stopping your reading to check a book, the core meaning stays right in front of you. You remain focused on the card, the question, and your interpretation. This does two important things for beginners. First, it builds confidence. You're not guessing in the dark. Second, it trains your intuition instead of replacing it. Here's how to read without a guidebook. Start with the image. Look at what's happening. Notice the emotions, the posture, the movement, the energy. Then read the keywords. Not as rules, but as direction. Ask yourself, how does this message apply to this situation, right now? Because the meaning is already visible on the card, your brain starts forming associations naturally. You're learning through repetition and experience, not memorization. Over time, something shifts. You recognize the cards faster. You hesitate less. You trust your first interpretation. And eventually, you don't need extra explanations at all. The cards speak clearly, and you know how to listen. That's the real goal of learning tarot. Not dependence on a guidebook, but confidence in your own reading. And that's how you read tarot without a guidebook. When learning feels simple and intuitive, you stay consistent. And consistency is what actually teaches tarot, not memorizing pages of meanings, but reading, again and again with confidence.